Hello friends, today we have a real Japanese lightning-fast electric coupe for review. Mitsubishi Raider GT 2026. Named after the god of thunder, it looks and drives as fast and aggressively as its name suggests. Storm matte gray color, sharp lines, neon lighting, and all this surrounded by the futuristic Mitsubishi Tech Hub. If you love drive, technology, and Japanese charisma, like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. From the front, Raijin greets us with narrow laser LED headlights, a massive closed bumper with air intakes, and a hood with deep slits. Everything is in the style of Japanese cyberpunk, illuminated by the signature ambient illumination of Tech Hub. At the back, there is a stylish LED spoiler, a through-light element with animated turn signals, and a massive diffuser with illumination. The rear of the Raijin looks predatory and futuristic, like a ship from a sci-fi movie. On the side, there are sharp aerodynamic lines, 22-inch black glossy wheels, a smooth coupe silhouette, and hidden door handles. In the reflection of the Tech Hub digital panels, its image seems to merge with the background of the future. The Raijin GT interior is a pilot's cockpit, sports seats with integrated headrests, carbon and Alcantara trim, red ambient lighting, and an OLED dashboard on the entire panel. The central console hovers in the air, and the control is on sensors and touch panels. No classics, only technology. Under the hood, there is a dual-motor AWD system, decorated with red lighting and a transparent casing. All this in the futuristic surroundings of the Mitsubishi Tech Hub, where the light show emphasizes the details. On the road, the Raijin GT in storm matte gray with illuminated contours looks like lightning. Rapid start, instant acceleration, and silent acceleration to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.2 seconds. In traffic, it seems unreal. If you like this Japanese monster of the future, put a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget about the bell. And in the comments, write what other technological beast to analyze in the next review. We'll be back soon. It will be powerful and loud.